Well, I'm T-Junkie, welcome back to part 29. I'm sorry this part is a bit later than usual. I've been busy all day. Now in this part what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding buttons to everything, sounds to everything. So we're going to have sounds on the buttons when you push them, on the teleport when you get teleported at the door, when you pick up the coin, and also on the main menu, which we're going to start off doing. On our main menu, we're going to be adding sounds to the actual menu. So if we go in here, there'll be sounds on these buttons, so you'll be able to hear something when you push a button. Now what I need to do is in our main menu script, scroll all the way down up to the top, and just have a public audio clip button sound. Now what we need to do is find our buttons, so if we scroll all the way down to GUI, first menu, there we go, we've got all the buttons in here. So what we do is the first thing I want to do before we change anything to true and false is I'm going to say it's slightly different. Before you could just say play one shot, but you can't do that anymore. So you just say get component audio source, where are you? Audio source dot, and you're going to say we're going to play one shot. This is play one shot is basically so it plays the sound once. And then we need to give it the name of our buttons, so button sound. Yeah, that's that done. If that works, a new game button should have a sound. Now what we need to do is go into our main camera, and there we go, we've got button sound audio clip. I've already got these sounds here. A good place to get them is freesound.org. You can use these in your projects. This is Creative Commons licensed sounds, browse, download and share sounds. So you can use these in your projects if you want. I will have a link of this in the description. Now I'll rename some of the sounds for me to better know what the sound actually is. So I click button sound, put it on there. If I click play, and when I click new game I should have a sound. Oh, there is no audio source, sorry. Audio source, there we go. Make sure you add an audio source to the camera, otherwise it's not going to work. So we had a sound. Now we need to copy this and then put it on all of these. The application quit one we don't actually need to put it on, because as soon as we push that button the sound's not going to have enough time to play before the actual application quits itself. Now we've got a button here that does nothing, but the button actually does something. We're going to have the audio source before. On the load game, we've got a button here, put it on there. We've got a button here, put it there. We've got another button here, so put it on that. And we've got a button here, so put it there. Another button. So there are achievement labels right there. We've got a button here, however. And we've got a back button here. And we've got loads of buttons here. Button. So you just need to scroll through your whole main menu one. This is probably the most buttons we're going to be adding on here. The most sounds we're going to be adding for buttons. Just make sure every if statement with the button you put it on. There we go, save that off. And now, when we click play, everything we click on should have a sound now. Just loaded my level up. Let's go back in. If we turn down the volume, it sounds a lot quiet, and we can turn the volume off, and we don't hear the sound anymore. And we didn't have one to equip because there's not really much point. Now that we've got the main menu done, we can go into our player HUD script. There's a couple of sounds in here I do actually want. See, we've got in here, in our Unity project, we've got a coin pickup, iron pickup, laser sound, sliding door sound, teleport sound. Here's coin pickup sound. When the player picks up the coin, which sends a broadcast to here, so we've got coin pickup here. You scroll all the way down to see all our pickups right here. We need to add them all our pickup sounds into here. So what I want to do is create a public audio clip and call that coin pickup. And then the next one, I'm going to say public audio clip, and I'm going to call it item pickup. So I've got two now, I've got a coin and an item. So if I scroll all the way down to the bottom now, and you can actually add these to the bottom, it doesn't really matter. So I paste in our previous one here, and I'm just going to say this is an item, so we could say item pickup. And I could just copy that and put it on the bottom of all these items, so the armor and the health. On the bottom here for the coin, you just type coin pickup. There we go. Now if we go to Unity, go to our test level, save this scene, click FPS controller, scroll all the way down, we've got coin and item. So I'm just going to have the item in here and the coin in here. Now I click play. Let's go find something to pick up. So let's pick up some armor. There you go, got a sound for armor. Now health as well. Now it works. Now I did make a prefab, I believe, for my player character, so models, prefabs, FPS controller, yes, I'm just going to drag that on there. Just so it updates from the next level, so if I go to the next level, complete this level and go to the next. And if I pick up this coin down here, I've got to go to level 2 now because my level 2 is not got the updated model on it. Go to level 2. Where's my player character on FPS controller up here? Coin pickup sound. you go, you can add the sound. So go to level 1, test level 1. Now I'm going to add sounds, say here. Now I need to add a sound to lasers now. Now if I say I'm in a game object, audio source, it's kind of in the wall right there. I'm going to put it in the middle. And it's volumes 1 and play on awake, yes. I want it to loop as well because it's a laser sound. The audio clip I want is going to be a laser sound. I can't spell sound to save my life that we use. Now if I run there, I should be able to hear it. Oh no, I couldn't hear it across the map. Whoops. I should have it. Why can I hear it over here? You should be able to hear it within this little. Oh, max distance. Can I hear it over here? Why can I still hear that? I should not be able to hear that from so far away. Oh, here's where I'm let's just see what happens if I click that. All four of those ticks. This was much easier before. I don't get why it's not doing it now. Audio. That should not be playing so far away. So we've got a character over here, look. But this model right here, you should be able to hear it when you intersect this hollow bit. Not entirely sure why exactly that's playing throughout the whole level. So I'll just disable that one for now. Let's save the scene if we're going to test level 2. I got what I do for the sound for the door. So when we go to the where's the game object? Door left and door right. Now if I add a component which doesn't have the script on it at all, Actually, everything is controlled by from the button, isn't it? So I can just add everything on the button. So I go button script, where are you? Button script. Right there. Private. Public, sorry. Public audio clip button sound. Now if I go and public audio clip door sound. If I go down here, display message, yeah, it's true. If we open the door, I want to say paste that code in here, and then we're going to put button sound. We can copy that, paste it underneath, and then we put that, and paste that underneath. The second one, we want door sound. Now with those two on there, if I go to button, now if I have sliding door sound in there, and I have button sound on here. If I click play, I did exactly the same rookie mistake. Audio source. And my doors are opening and closing now. Now this here is going to be pretty much the same. Now where's my teleporter? Teleport button. There we are. We're going to do the same in here. So we're going to do public audio source. Audio clip, sorry. Got this button sound. And a public audio clip. We're going to call this teleport sound. Now when we push the button, I want the teleport sound to play as well. Now if we save that off, go back to Unity with our teleporter, teleport pad, button, there we go, sound, teleport sound, and button sound. Now we're going to teleporter here as well, on the button. Got the teleport sound and the button sound. Maybe I can play. And I did exactly the same thing again. Audio source. Audio source. There we go. Make sure you add audio sources. I know I've said that like twice, 3 times now. Buttons have sounds. Now we can save that off. And go back into our previous scene where I had that lovely problem right there. Where's our audio source? There we go. I'm going to delete that audio source, and where's my lasers? Laser 1. On each of my laser starts. To be honest, I think I only need to do it on one of these. On this cylinder I've got. I'm going to add component, audio source. And then I'm going to have my laser sound on that. I'm gonna have a loop. I'll click play. And I can still hear it from a bloody mile away. Why? Apart from the little things that get me annoying. It sounds really quiet now. Unless I've just found the loudest sound in the world. I can still hear it, even though it's a 0.01. I should not be able to hear it this far away. Right, no textures, past the G crosshair. Okay. Fix my crosshair. Oh yeah, change your crosshair to a circle. So why can I hear you from a mile away? Oh. Now where is my FPS controller? Because I have a feeling I just took off the crosshair I did. Is it something compared to how far away I am? No, because apparently it does not matter or how far away I am. Or how far I can hear. This recording's getting a bit too long. What I'll do is if I find a way of fixing this sound, I will do a separate tutorial for it. Because it's behaving in a way that you should not behave in. Unless I'm completely missing something, which might be the case. Anyway, I'll be TJoki. Thank you for watching. And before I leave, I have finally finished the weapon. This is the weapon that we'll be using in the game. I did it quite quick. I think this took me about half an hour to do. But I'll be uploading this to the website as well tonight. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll be TJoki and see you next time. Goodbye.